Do-It-Yourself Pest Control Guide. DIY pest control is an effective and affordable way to manage common household pests without hiring professional services. With proper methods, tools, and preventive measures, you can keep your home pest-free while saving money. Here's a step-by-step guide for effective DIY pest control. Identify the pest problem. Before taking any action, identify the type of pest you're dealing with. Common household pests include ants, cockroaches, rodents, termites, bed bugs, and mosquitoes. Each pest requires a specific treatment method. Use natural remedies for minor infestations. Natural solutions like vinegar, essential oils such as peppermint for spiders, and diatomaceous earth can help control minor infestations without harsh chemicals. Apply pest control products. For more severe infestations, use over-the-counter pest control products such as sprays, baits, traps, and powders. Always follow the instructions on the product label to ensure safe and effective use. Seal entry points. Prevent pests from entering your home by sealing cracks, gaps around windows and doors, and holes in walls. Installing screens on windows and vents also helps keep pests out. Maintain cleanliness and remove food sources. Keep your home clean, especially the kitchen and dining areas. Store food in airtight containers, clean up crumbs immediately, and dispose of garbage regularly to eliminate food sources for pests. Use traps for rodents and insects. Set up traps like glue boards for insects or snap traps for rodents in areas where pest activity is noticed. Check and dispose of them regularly to avoid further infestation. Monitor and repeat treatments. Pest control often requires repeated treatments. Monitor affected areas and reapply treatments as needed to ensure pests are completely eradicated. DIY pest control can be highly effective when done correctly. By identifying pests, using appropriate treatments, and maintaining cleanliness, you can manage most infestations yourself. Regular monitoring and preventive measures are key to keeping your home pest-free.